Okay, Mars the Weekly.
Stop.
Alright,
Are
a
you
big,
ready?
big unboxing. No, I don't want to show. I don't want to get close because it could show.
What?
You know,
Oh, ano yun? What?
this one. I don't want to show.
Okay.
And this, and it's the same brand as this, where it's filmed.
This is
There's the
Hot
differences.
40i. Yours
Yeah.
is Hot
30i.
30i.
Yeah.
And this is, look, 256 gig and 16 gig RAM. So
Wow.
this is higher,
Wow.
upgraded.
Ha,
Higher than yours.
better than. What is it? Something?
Ano mo rito para ina-unbox na?
No, mom.
Okay, moment of truth.
Oh man.
Ooh,
I'm surprised
here we
it
go.
didn't take
This
really long.
is gold.
Oh,
Oh,
looks pretty
nice. Pretty cool, ha? Oh, yung SIM card, mami.
cool. Thank you, Daddy.
R.I.P. Look at this.
Yeah.
A drop.
See you on the other side. See you on the
Ba't
other
ayaw?
side.
Yeah, it will be just kept there.
Hirap. Ay, ayaw. Ayaw.
Patay tayo.
No.
Oh, ay, hindi. Ito. Diba? Nasaan? Ito ba? Oh. Dali nga. Tama. Dito yata yun. Ayun. Mali yung pinipindot ko. Ah. SIM card.
Look, what's inside here? Save video me.
Walang malaki.
Okay.
Ano yan? SD card.
And inside is this phone case
Oh yeah, free phone case.
with a
Sandali, Tommy.
tissue paper. Joke. Oh my goodness, no.
Don't worry, Sandra. I will give it to you.
Why is there? This is made in Hong Kong. Dad. Hong Kong. I saw it.
Kasi bibili ako ng pareho kong minilali mas mataas.
Yeah, there's the phone.
But the difference is it has the iPhone-like camera.
Putting up the SIM card. Okay.
There.
I will buy you. Okay?
Video mo lang.
You can see Dad's face. 40i. The new phone of Tinduya. I miss this. I miss filming here. Wait.
Ganda oh.
Oh. And that's a.
Oh,
Signal?
ganda oh. 40i. So this has bigger storage.
256. But
Yeah, this is times 2. The
ayun now.
Hey, we have to unlock. About 809.
It changed the time.
But no service yung isa. TNT.
And there
No
we go.
service talaga yung isa. Mami?
Dalawa yun?
It's a
Dalawa yung SIM
59.
card mo eh. Ah, yung kaya tingnan yung no service na.
Oo, yung kaya natin na yun.
Ay, no service na siya.
Ah, wala na.
Wala
Oh.
na.
That's something.
Ah.
That's something.
Tanggalin na pa rin natin yung no service.
Oh. Oh, ito na. Mami.
Don't worry, kids. We will,
Oh, magano ka
I
na
will
lang.
buy you like that.
Tingnan natin yung...
No, no, don't.
Ngayon, oh, may Facebook ka na. Oh, bala ka na.
May WhatsApp.
Magano ka na lang ng messenger mo. Oh. Ha?
Hmm.
Tingnan natin yung camera. Ooh.
May super slow-mo.
Super slow.
Sige. Location allowed.
Saan?
Oh, ganda, diba? Pura ina.
I don't know, Mom. How much?
Recognize niya yung TM, mami, oh.
Huh?
Ayun. Slot
What's
1.
this? An
Slot
extra
2
glass.
yung TNT mo.
0936-445-4633.
Tingnan natin, ha. Tayo sa settings.
Sana mabuhay ulit
Safe,
yung number niya.
Oh my goodness. I don't know if I can sneak this thing in. No.
Pati yung number, no?
Mobile data, nakabigan.
Oh, yun, no? 32.
Yeah, since the charger of the headphones I got for Christmas broken. Extra glass. Gorilla
Tayo
Glass.
sa Wi-Fi.
Say Gorilla Glass. If there's Gorilla Tape, Gorilla
Ano yung
Glue.
Gorilla Glass? Ano
Ito
to?
yung Gorilla
May
Glass.
Ay, oo nga. Hindi ko alam.
Is that the screen protector?
What if we can put a
Ah,
screen,
nice, diba?
another screen? Could be more protective.
Ay, ipapalagay ito, sabi? Pinapalagay ito?
Talagay mo. Ayoko maglagay. Nagbabubbles yung sa akin.
Save. Look. Save, get your case. Oh, yeah. No, let's just come in here. And get this.
Holy, the color is different.
This one's a Type C. This is a magic ring.
Oh man.
Mirror black. Gold. 40i. It's not in this thing, but yeah. Right here. This. This is the flyer we got. And this is the phone. Because what storage did you got? The 4 gigabytes or the 8? The 4?
Guess.
Smart 7. And the most expensive of all, 05G. Why? This 05G has, well, this one is a perfect vlog camera. 4K 60 frames per second.
Wow.
14,999. So this one has, this is more professional. Okay, so yeah, let's have an update. Look at this! The first hold.
Is it nice?
Parang ano, iPhone yung camera. The iPhone the cameras of the iPhone.
Ganito?
I compared the cameras of 2019.
Hi,
It's that
Toby.
small.
Subukan mo
Let's test the video. But I'm the one who.
Selfie mo, ha, para mas makita mo yung...
Hindi naman araw. Mas
Ay, busy.
save.
Yung...
Wala siyang selfie.
Environment.
Ay, ito pala. Yun.
Oh, hindi, kahit ganito yun. Ayan, selfie mo.
Soup
Ayan.
X Club.
Oiliness. Oh.
Ginalaw mo naman kasi. Oh, subukan mo na to.
Sino yan, Tommy?
Oh, it's.
Gallery.
Don't delete the first photo.
Ay, ano to? Ba't nakaganyan?
Suggestion.
Anong suggestion?
Parang nakabox siya sa ulo.
Nasaan mo?
That's it. So goodbye.
Tingnan, mamaya, tibas tingnan.
2020 to 24. Yeah, you should check out the unboxing of this. September 1, 2024 to March 13, 2020. Oh, March. September 1, 2020 to March 13, 2024. So, oh, I haven't held it yet, but
Ay, pagka pala yung mga anak na.
I have held this. And I promise not to break you, man.
No, ito, itago mo tong box. Baka...
Yung charger niya.
Sana yung ano, yung glass mo.
Ipapalagay natin yan.
Ay, ikaw palagay mo, hindi yung... Ako kasi, nagbabubbles eh. Saan yung isang box niya? Yung pang ano.
Oh, save!
Yes. Pareho lang.
Malaki.
Mas maganda
Bought on
yung
Lazada.
pagkasya para
Thank you,
ano,
Lazada.
Para mas ano na eh.
Wait, I don't want to show you again.
Fingerprint. Ano.
Oh man, hopefully this nuts. But I'm gonna do my best.
Inches.
Tignan
Look,
mo
it's
pa,
on Lazada.
design lang yan.
Yeah, do this, cover the entire thing because that white sticker shows very sensitive information that you should not show on video.
Ay, hindi. Hindi siya naka-folder, naka-box na.
Save, right? Yeah, you should not show the white sticker on the box because that shows sensitive information.
Oh yeah.
Or no sensitive information.
Your address.
Your address
Yeah.
should not show. Oh, you don't want to show. Save, I think it's over.
Oh.
I don't want to show your contracts. Don't want to show Bob's contracts because your contracts are...
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you should not. And we have two Infinixes. In 2023, we had... Yeah, in last year, 1 year ago, we had two Samsungs, two Vivos. And now this year we have two Infinixes, one Vivo, one Samsung.
Oh.
I mean, it was, yeah, two Vivos still. Athena.
Oh yeah.
And 1 year ago we had one Realme.
Oh.
And speaking of Realme,
Oh. Yeah.
and this video is brought to you by Home Credit. Joking!
Oh my.
I'm a YouTuber. Joke. And apologies, no unboxing for this last November.
Yeah.
Hopefully you enjoyed this.
Yeah.
And I might see. And yeah, before we end the video, let's have an extra. Let's get this now.
Yeah,
Let's
okay.
keep it in its box. Remember, for more information, go to www.infinixmobility.com. This is made in Hong Kong.
Oh.
Universal Industrial Center. Look,
Oh, yeah.
headphones.
There it is.
Oh shoot, I'm not.
Oh.
It's a bit too tangled. I can't untangle it. But the difference is. Wait, is it that small? Yeah, it's tied. It looks like those V-Pro headphones
Oh.
that are broken there.
Okay.
Is it? Yeah, it is. We're gonna test by. Yeah, you need to. I don't know if you. Yeah, sorry, I'm coughing. It's been a week now. And check and remember.
Oh yeah, subscribe. Let's see how it sounds. Oh. Yeah. Sounds pretty good.
We're saying, we're twins. Baby. You like this phone? This kind of phone, San?
Maybe, Mom.
Okay. I will give you Let's change. Let's exchange.
No, Mom.
Why not?
Okay, right. That's the end. Nothing more. This video's too long now, so let's just end it here.
This is not charging.
Bye.
Goodbye. Watch the baby.
Stop.